Hi guys, today I will be explaining about candlesticks. So, candlesticks are the basic component of a candle chart which holds the information of a stock over a period of time. So, this period can vary from 1 minute to years. So, when you look into a candlestick, you will understand what the price of the stock over a period of time. So if you are taking a 5-minute candle, that means the price of the stock during this 5 minutes. So what was the open price, what was the close price, and how high the price of the stock went and how low the price of the stock went. So all these informations are plotted if you look into a candlestick. So there are two kinds of candles. One is bearish candles. Bearish candles are the red candles, and bullish candles, which are the green ones. So if you want to know about the price of a candle at a time, you can go into this chart and check the price. So if you look into this candle, this one is a bearish candle. So the open price was, if you see at this side, you can see the open price was 11676 and the close price was 11638. So since this is a bearish candle, the open price always starts from the top and it ends at the bottom. So in the case of a bullish candle, the open price starts from the bottom and ends at the top. So the other informations about the candle, there are the other information like high and low you can get from the candle itself. So if you see the high point at the price the stock went was the high. So that we can call as the wick of the candle. So this is the wick of the candle. So the low end at which the price went, that is called the low price. So that is when that is also we can call as the wick of the candle. So what happens during the period of time is the buyers enters the market. They try to buy the stock, so the price of the stock will go up and it will go up till the high price. And there was a possibility that the sellers, who are the buyers, started pushing the price down. So that is why the price this wick formed and the price closed at this point. So this is how the price of the candle is determined at a period. So if you look into any given candle, you will know the information. So if you look at this candle, so what happened is like the open price, that is the open price which started from here, then the price went down since the sellers entered the market and they started selling the stock. The price went down and it went down till the low, and the buyers started pushing and the price went up a little bit and the price finally closed at this point. So this is how a bearish candle is created. So that's basically about candlestick. So if you want to know more, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.